Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a version of Starbucks egg bites. You know, those ones they have an egg white version, they have a version with Gruyere cheese. I think they even have a version with potato now. This version we're making today is with spinach, sun-dried tomatoes, and feta. But you know what? If you don't like one of those ingredients, don't use it. Do you like a different type of cheese? Use that. Do you want to ditch the sun-dried tomatoes and add in broccoli or peppers or something else? Do that. The choice is fully yours and up to what you like. This comes together so quickly, so let's get your muffin pan ready to go. Oil it away. And your mixer has the day off. You can do this fully by hand. I'm using a food processor just because I want everything a little bit more finely milled. But if you like chunks in your egg bites, that's fine too. I was inspired by this song. We're making egg bites with some feta cheese. Add sun-dried tomatoes, we'll be sure to please. Nutritious and so very adaptable. The good taste will be so palpable. Palpable, yes, because it's all about you and what you like. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Sun-dried tomatoes, feta cheese. Throw in my eggs. Mix until the sun-dried tomatoes are finely chopped. Move the mixture over to a big bowl. I'm going to do this in stages. Adding in my spinach. It is already chopped. This was actually frozen. You could use fresh. Just be sure to drain as much water out of it as possible. Mix together so that is evenly distributed. Add in your seasoning. This is about a teaspoon. This is garlic, basil, parsley, and onion powder. Sprinkle that on. Add some salt and pepper to taste. Mix together. Add your egg whites. Add your egg whites in. Mix together. Add the mixture into your cups, about 2/3 of the way full. I think I may have too much spinach in here, but I think it's going to turn out just fine. We're going to find out. Like I said, we're doing this together. Into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until they're a nice golden brown on top. Admittedly, I may have put too much spinach in here versus the amount of eggs, but we'll see how these turn out. It's been about 24 minutes. They are golden on top. Out. They smell great. We're going to take them right out. I let it sit for about 5 minutes because it was very hot. So let's take them out now. Look at that, comes right out. Look, that looks like a little frittata. Take a look at this nice and warm spinach, feta, sun-dried tomato egg bite. It looks great. It smells great. Again, this is like a little baby frittata that you can make with whatever ingredients you like. Let's give it a bite. You can see all the spinach inside, but really the flavor that I taste is that sun-dried tomatoes. So if you're not a fan of sun-dried tomatoes, add less, or you could even add more. It is delicious. I taste the spinach, the sun-dried tomatoes, the feta cheese just adds a little bit of smoothness, and the spices bring it all together. These are great. These are great. Make them however you like. If I can make a version of the Starbucks egg bites with you watching me every step of the way for the very first time, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, continue to send on those recipe and song requests, and check me out on Instagram for so much more.